Have you ever cut your eye teeth on something? Cut my eye teeth? That sounds terrible. That sounds painful. I know, doesn't it? But to cut your eye teeth on something has nothing to do with actually cutting your teeth, because that would hurt. To cut your eye teeth on something means to acquire wisdom, to gain valuable experience, and it's usually done when you're young. Oh, it can also be shortened to cut your teeth on something. Got it. Well, let's try it in a sentence. Hey, Sarah, where did you learn how to talk to people? I cut my eye teeth on learning how to talk to people when I was a waitress and as a teenager. Yeah, you had to talk to them. So I cut my eye teeth on learning how to talk to people. Oh, got it. Cut your eye teeth on something, or cut your teeth on something. Why do we say it when we just mean, hey, you acquired wisdom at a young age or valuable experience? I don't know, but now you can read and understand these sentences, I hope. Jack has been programming computers since the age of 6. He cut his eye teeth on them. What? Come on, English. Have you ever cut your eye teeth on something? I know you have. Leave it in the comments. Peace, friends.